So you brought your car, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. It's over there in the front.
Got some tires to bang out on that bitch.
Don't have to.
Everything is working.
Drink.
I'm also looking to clean it because it's a little dirty. I haven't washed it.
Right, yeah, absolutely.
You look at the fuse of the rear one.
There you go.
See, that fuse was on 17.
Good.
I got that high music, that fly music, that body and that climb music.
This how we get down.
I got that red carpet, that Grammy music, that red carpet, that Grammy music.
I'm fly, and I'm so fly. I'm gone, I'm gone. I'm high, and I'm so high. I ain't a killer, but I murder the beat. I'm fly, and I'm so fly. I'm gone, I'm gone. I'm high, and I'm so high. I ain't a killer, but I murder the beat.
I got my seat back and my feet up. Blunt road and my beat up, about to meet up with two bitches who going down when I speed up. Bay boy, play your shit. Trees give me that airtime. High as fuck, nigga, I'm what's up. Flyer than the Hawks airline, nigga, you know. I don't trip, got a whole lot of grip, so I don't slip. My bottle chicks is my bottom bitch, and you thirsty on it, it's obvious. I'm taking off, no delay. Hundreds on the freeway, and it feels so smooth. Man, that's funny, that's what she said. Get it? Money green like ribbit. Stacking up D-digit, got big plans under this fitted. Niggas mad at me cause I did it. They don't want that boy to shine, man. Like that G-Shock on my wrist, I own it, it's my time, man. Yo, girl love it, I'm macking, buddy. An ugly hoe say I'm acting funny. I only fuck if she had the money. This dick cost, you better have it for me. Smoking big, burn it down. Staring out at these purple clouds. When she turn around, if it ain't round, damn right, finna turn it down.
I'm fly, and I'm so fly. I'm gone, I'm gone. I'm high, and I'm so high. I ain't a killer, but I murder the beat. I'm fly, and I'm so fly. I'm gone, I'm gone. I'm high, and I'm so high. I ain't a killer, but I'm murder.
I got two girls on some freak shit. My crib look like the freak knit. Clothes look like some beach fits. My weed strong, no weak shit. Too high, you can't reach this. Ain't talking much, I'm speechless. Sipping on that pink mix. Leaning off like my seat slip. Ain't got no Lambo mercy. But damn, yo bitch still thirsty. She can't get no cup, but she can treat me like a Slurpee. Hey baby, you heard me. Her mouth work like a curb. Them brains so good. Saved her in my phone, it's nerdy. You the player, I'm the coach. Ain't no hanging up his jersey like a solid gold Louis. Bad and way them both deserve it. I'm in that VIP, and I guess they think I'm worth. And I guess they think I drank a lot, cause damn this bitch gon' serve me, man, I'm on. Now hold it back, room full of bras might blow a stack, cause I'm sipping this wine, nigga smoking this pine, bitch I'm out of my mind, not going back, I'm never riding in no slow car. Jeans heavy like 04, hop up in this ride, baby, let's fuck your face to your throat, so
I'm fly, and I'm so fly. I'm gone, I'm gone. I'm high, and I'm so high. I ain't a killer, but I murder the beat. I'm fly, and I'm so fly. I'm gone, I'm gone. I'm high, and I'm so high. I ain't a killer, but I murder the beat. Go hard. This how we get down. Now this how we go hard.
I got that high music, that fly music, that body and that climb music.
This how we get down.
I got that red carpet, that Grammy music, that red carpet, that Grammy music.
she nympho. Angel in a dress, but she sinful. And like info, she relate hustle like Larry Flint though. So, showtime, slow grind. From the place where we go strive. We could gas break dip right now. Pretty face with a skin light brown. She just my style. All dimes, no lie. Rather have 110 instead of 2 5s. Baby, better than a few crimes. Nobody killing, but you know she never ever had a due time. Baby, I could take you through. You could bring the crew. Follow me and you could really get it in a VIP right now. Or get it wet up in a whip right now. Make your head spin round. It's all pure riding. Everything that I'm gon' do gets a little rowdy. Doing things that you don't do. Whispers turn to shouting. Kush makes it cloudy. And I wanna be the one that gets you on. Cause I'm not here for too long. She said she heard about me and all the birds around me. As they flew, I had noticed you and your crew. She said she heard about me. Well, what's the word about me? Is it true? I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I've been living this shit you just started. I've been killing shit since the start. And we've been solid from the bottom to the throne. I promised them back home I'ma get it when I'm on. They all coming where I'm going. Limousines are getting flown. All of this on our own, what you talking about? I'm what they talking about, so grab your girl and cuff her. She said she knows all the words to my song, and she let it be known, let it be known. It's all pure riding. Everything that I'm gon' do gets a little rowdy. Doing things that you don't do. Whispers turn to shouting. Kush makes it cloudy. And I wanna be the one that gets you on. Cause I'm not here for too long. She said she heard about me and all the birds around me. As they flew, I had noticed you and your crew. She said she heard about me. Well, what's the word about me? Is it true? Be the one that gets you on. Cause I'm not here for too long. I seen that body to body, she flaunting. She started to tell me I'm incredible. Right after the show, is she falling or plotting? To be honest, I'm all in. I told her, baby, go low, oh, oh, oh. She wanna be ballin' and flawless. She constantly calling. She work her enemy slow, oh. I lost control, oh. She pressed that body to my body. She want it, she got it. I got her screaming out, oh, oh. Nah, if you wanna feel the vibe, go on and feel the ride. Tell me what you feel inside. Did it make you feel alive? Cause I will see that that's all you get from me. Ooh. If you want it, you can holler at my big man. He gon' let you through. So keep your man outside the ropes when you pass through. Ooh. If you want it, you can holler at my big man. He gon' let you through. So keep your man outside the ropes when you pass through. Oh, now I got something that you need, so let me know. You need to let me know. Cause in a sec, I'll be on my way up to the next city. You know we go. Got a bunch of pretty new hoes. Gotta go play the next show. And if they see the same damn show that your boss sees for, big money for roll, I might just pick one, and I might just pick on to the next girl. I'm next girl, and you know that, so don't hold back, come through. If you want it, you can holler at my big man. He gon' let you through. So keep your man outside the ropes when you pass through. Ooh. If you want it, you can holler at my big man. the squad, she forever ride a bench till it's all night long, all night long. Stand photos, she preaching like YOLO, tryna do it over and over again. And if she need it, we can go right now. If she want it, we can go right now, go right now. If you want it, you can holler at my big man. He gon' let you through, so keep your man outside the ropes when you pass through. Ooh. If you want it, you can holler at my big man. He gon' let you through, so keep your man outside the ropes when you pass through. Now look, you got me gonna more one, and you must think I'm some kind of fucking joke. But little did you know, see I'm the man, the man, the man, the man, the man right now. Ooh.
YOU, your boyfriend is a lame, you know we not quite cool, and I'm the ice in the cup. I be lighting them up, but being bad was a crime, then I be writing you up and throwing you in the clinker. I'm a hell of a thinker, I'm a hell of a smoker, and a bit of a drinker. I'm a beast, I'm a creature, the most not the least, of on the ground like crazy, show my ass on my features. Hey, let me take you on a heartbreak holiday, low key maybe just to hide away. Boss like Hugo, fly as ever you know, killing these rappers but not attending the funeral. She dressed like a goddess, I guess God was a stylist. Young and getting money, now we wildin'. Turn it up a notch then climb that pole and wind down slow, wind down slow. Now climb that pole, climb that, and wind down slow, wind down slow. You right there. You look so good, but you act so bad. Why you trying to be so right there? Just be who you were, forget you on her. Now she be killing every showcase, and she be killing like Ghostface. I know. Now she forgetting all the old ways, so she be killing like Ghostface. I know. So exotic, out of control body. You only live once, make the most out it. So I stack bread, make the toast out it. That's why when we in the club, we get the most bottles.
It's like half your intake for the day.
I know I got no beer at home. It tasted kind of funky.